Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Today, Terra Classic will continue to increase in price, and we also saw Terra Classic hitting about 8% increase in price. And one important thing to understand that today the market cap of Terra Classic is not trading above $1 billion. We are hoping that before the end of the year, the market cap will be hitting over $5 billion market cap. We believe so many wells, a lot of people will be buying Terra Classic coin, especially for the fact that Binance have been supporting this coin, and Binance founders says they are fully behind Terra Classic, and they are not even selling their coin. And I believe Binance new burning is going to also help this coin. They have been burning billions of Terra Classic, and Binance very soon will also be burning Terra Classic coin. Now, one thing is to understand the price of Terra Classic this year have started the year with an impressive change. We also saw Terra Classic really increasing this year, this January, and you can see this coin increasing by this time of the year. And it's amazing to see Terra Classic coin starting the year in the positive side. And I believe before the middle of this year, before the end of June, Terra Classic might be deleting between 1-0. And remember that the burning of Terra Classic also increased. I believe this coin before the end of this year, we might be seeing Terra Classic gaining a lot, at least hitting between 500 to 1000% this year is possible with Binance. And I believe also Kucoin have been supporting Terra Classic. And one important thing is that we need all these exchanges that have listed this coin to also support the burning of Terra Classic, the 1.2% tax burn. If they can start burning, I believe it, this coin is going to gain a lot. For now, Binance are the one burning Terra Classic coin, and I hope to see other top crypto exchanges join and start burning Terra Classic coin. One important thing you need to understand about crypto industry is that despite all what we say, Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin is the king of all crypto coins. Bitcoin will continue to control other coins, and if BTC can hit $50,000 this year, and I believe Terra Classic might be hitting over 1000% this year, and I believe that Bitcoin is definitely going to rise because BTC have already started rising. BTC is now trading over $21,000, all the way from $16,000. It's amazing to see cryptocurrency regaining. Last year was a bearish year, and I believe this year is going to be a bullish year. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.